Are you facing error when switching Hulu profiles? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy solutions that you can use to fix it. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Solution 1. Log out and log in to the Hulu account. Let's start with a simple solution. If you're facing issues while switching profiles in Hulu, then log out of your Hulu account and then log in again. For some users, this trick has worked. Solution 2. Check for updates. Sometimes not updating your Hulu app can also lead to such errors. So check for updates and install them to see if this issue is resolved or not. Solution 3. Open Hulu in incognito mode. Another simple way around this problem is to open Hulu in the incognito mode. A lot of Hulu users have managed to bypass the problem through this method. And you can try it out and let us know in the comments if it has worked for you or not. Solution 4. Clear browser cache. The next solution we have for you is to clear the browser cache. At times, conflicting web cookies can lead to this problem, and a simple fix is to clear the cache. Now to do that, open the browser of your choice and find the option of clearing cache in the browser menu. Solution 5. Remove other devices or log out of other devices. If you are sharing your Hulu account, or if it is logged into multiple devices, then it can be one of the reasons behind your current struggle. So, simply log out of other devices or remove them and check if this issue is resolved or not. To initiate this process, head over to your account page, scroll down and find Watch Hulu on your devices section. Once you are here, you will find Manage Devices option. From here, you can remove the devices you want to. Solution 6. Contact Hulu support. If all of the previous solutions haven't worked for you, then you need to contact Hulu customer support. And there you have it. 6 easy ways to resolve the error when switching Hulu profiles. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.